From ancient cities that glow golden in the sunlight to boat rides through otherworldly sea caves, we're counting down the top 5 things to do in Malta.
We're going to explore a lot today, so I need a big coffee.
Malta may be a small island, but trust me, it's bursting with unmissable spots you absolutely have to see.
I'm Nicola, and today I'm going to show you the top 5 places to visit in Malta.
Number 5. Valletta. Malta's capital is a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Although it's one of the smallest capitals in Europe, it certainly packs a punch. From breathtaking harbourside views to incredible dining amongst its charming streets. Valletta is home to the highest concentration of religious monuments in Europe. Every street holds something special, with over 25 churches in the city. And it's also home to beautiful parks and places to unwind. Your eyes will be drawn upwards to the balconies, ghost signs, and the incredible statues welcoming you to every street. As the sun goes down, the city really comes alive.
It's a really lovely atmosphere here. It's a great place to unwind with some food and drinks.
The steps are filled with people enjoying their favourite tipple.
Cheers!
Chatter and music fill the air, and you'll never be short of a place to eat. If you're looking for a place to stay, I highly recommend the Grand Harbour Hotel. The views over the harbour are breathtaking. Number 4. Boat ride to Blue Grotto.
We're about to go on a boat ride to the Blue Grotto.
Number 4 is one of the most magical and exhilarating experiences in Malta. A boat ride to the Blue Grotto. It's a natural wonder that has to be seen to be believed, and was one of the highlights of my whole trip. For just €10 per person, you can step aboard a small fishing boat for an exciting ride along the coast, under natural arches and into sea caves. The water is such an intense shade of blue, and it's a truly beautiful experience.
That was so exhilarating and it's so beautiful. The caves are magnificent and the water is sparkling, and on a day like this, and just for €10, wow, what an experience.
Next, let's slow things down and step back in time to a more nostalgic way of getting around the island. Number 3. Vintage Bus City Tours. These beautifully restored vintage buses are a part of Malta's DNA. While they're no longer used for daily commuter routes, you can ride on selected sightseeing tours. There are several routes available, and I'll add a link to the video description so you can work out what's right for you. They're a great way to get between places like Valletta, Mdina and Marsaxlokk, so you can combine a bus ride with a fun day out. This time we caught a bus to number 2, Marsaxlokk. This working fishing village really captures the heart and soul of Malta. The best day to visit is on a Sunday for its vibrant market when the place truly comes alive. Expect colourful boats, postcard perfect views and buzzing market stalls. The waterfront is lined with traditional Lutsu boats, painted bright blue and yellow, and you can go on a boat ride from this harbour. You can find all sorts at the market, from clothes and household goods to local produce and sweet treats. We tried some of the Maltese cannoli. Make sure you make time for lunch. This is the place to eat catch of the day.
Cheers!
It's as fresh as it gets and the flavours are incredible.
Cheers!
There's a couple of bonus tips at the end of this episode that you won't want to miss. But now for number 1, a place so captivating it almost feels like time travel. Number 1, Mdina, Malta's former capital. It's unlike anywhere else. It's an ancient walled city and you can enter through its busy medieval gates. Once you're inside, you can find moments of calm in its narrow streets, admire the views from the top of the walls, and get lost amongst its incredible buildings. Mdina is known as the Silent City, and believe it or not, people do still live here, although it's anything but silent amongst the crowds. There's a choice of places to eat, and if you're after a special locally made souvenir, you can visit Mdina Glass. One highlight is the Cathedral of St. Paul's and its neighbouring museum. Many people also enjoy a tour on a horse and carriage. while you're in the area, you can also visit Rabat, a town that feels a bit more local and lived in. It has a great mix of culture and charm, and it's perfect for a relaxing wander after exploring Mdina. Before we finish, I've got a couple of bonus tips for you, including a dessert spot you won't want to miss in Valletta. For motor enthusiasts, don't miss the Malta Classic Car Collection in St Paul's Bay. It's home to a magnificent collection of beautifully restored vehicles. And for a sweet ending to your time in Malta, head to Caffe Cordina in Valletta.
Caffe Cordina was established in 1837 and it's full of so many fantastic treats. It's really easy to see why it's still going today. You can enjoy your food outside in the dining area or enjoy the opulent interiors inside. Let's get some cake.
This historic cafe is the perfect place to sit back with a coffee or a sweet dessert, reflect on your trip and soak in the atmosphere of Valletta.
This is the best eclair I've ever had. Yeah, it'd be a great outtake.
Malta is an island that truly has it all. Let me know which place in my top 5 you would most like to visit.
Subscribe!
Cheers, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, make sure that you hit the subscribe button, and if you'd like to know when I upload the next episode, be sure to turn on the bell notification. Until next time, happy exploring! Unsubscribe.
Unsubscribe or just subscribe?
Or just subscribe.
Yeah.
Wait a minute.
Count us in.
Okay, go.
Subscribe! Oh, sorry. Okay.
I thought I'd said no.
Are we doing it again? Are we kicking? Alright.
Are we kicking?
Count us in, count us in.
Kick that way.
This way?
Subscribe!
I messed up, I think.